Welcome. This is going to be a simple practice designed to quiet the senses and find contentment. Come onto your mat, find a comfortable kneeling posture. And when we practice quieting the senses, try not to think of it as a loss, but focus on the contentment that we are creating through this practice. We'll come up onto the knees and begin your practice just by giving yourself a nice stretch. Any way that the body needs to move and stretch and open. Feel your body. How does it feel? Feel that gentle stretch. Smile to yourself. Give yourself some nice soothing touch. Now we'll take our attention deeper inward. Take one hand on the chest and the other on the abdomen. And begin to feel the breath. Gently moving inside the body. Let your senses begin to become quiet. The eyes become quiet. Sense of touch becomes quiet, turning inward. In this quieting of my senses, I find contentment. In this quieting of my senses, I find contentment. As you inhale, raise the arms. And as you exhale, come into child's pose. Gentle movement. Drop the head. Easy, gentle movement as you inhale. Lift up, rise. And as you exhale, come back into child's pose. Connect inward. Quiet the eyes, the ears. Easy breath. Move at your own pace. Follow your own breath. Inhale, lift up and open. And exhale, child's pose. May my senses grow quiet. I am content with inner quietness. As the activity of my senses grows quiet, they grow more content. They grow more restful. I appreciate this feeling of restfulness in my senses. I appreciate this feeling of contentment and satisfaction that it gives me. On your next exhale, if it's comfortable for you, stay in child's pose for a few breaths. Quiet eyes, quiet ears, quiet touch, restful, pleasant breath. Now we move to hands and knees. We'll do a gentle cat-cow movement as you inhale, chest, chin lifts. And as you exhale, curl the spine. Easy, gentle breath. Pleasant inner sensation. Follow your own breath. Allow the awareness to turn inward. From here we move, come down onto the mat. Your eyes can stay closed. Come all the way down to lay on the belly. Relax the head down. Your senses turning inward, the eyes closed, ears quieting, turning the attention, the awareness inward. As the senses become quiet, we experience contentment, which is beneficial and something to look forward to. We're going to do a gentle cobra movement. Take the hands by the shoulders or chest as you inhale. Lift the chest, lift the head. Very gentle, easy movements. And then as exhale, lower the head. Again, follow your own breath. Nice, pleasant breath. My eyes do not need to look outward during this time. My ears do not need to turn outward during this time. My eyes can remain quiet and content. My ears can remain quiet and content. My sense of touch can also remain quiet and content. On your next exhale, just rest in this position for a few breaths. Allow the body to relax. Allow the breath to relax. Awareness turning inward. From here, we're going to turn to lay on the back. Take a few breaths. Whenever you're ready, begin to bring the knees up toward the chest. Hold the knees with the hands. As you exhale, the knees move away. And as you inhale, the knees come close to the chest. Letting your eyes and your ears rest. Appreciate that contentment in the restfulness of your senses. And if it feels right for you, you can take a gentle twist. Keep the eyes closed, ears calm, attention remains inward. Appreciate that feeling of contentment that comes from quieting the senses. As you exhale, dropping the knees over to one side. As you inhale, legs come back up. And exhale to the other. My eyes do not need to seek any external sights. My ears do not need to seek any external sounds. They can become quiet and restful, and I can appreciate this place. From here, come to a comfortable place of rest. Stay here for a few minutes. Quiet eyes, quiet ears, pleasant inner experience of the breath. All senses drawing inward with contentment and restfulness. Stay here for as long as is right for you. And whenever you're ready, you need to get up, move back to your day. Just make your way gently out of this place and try to take that feeling of contentment, not constantly seeking for outward stimulation. And take it with you in the rest of your day. Find that contentment in the quietness of the senses.